Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A72 and today I would like to show you how you can change style of icons on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now scroll down, click on Themes and select Icons over here at the bottom. Then click at the loop at the top right corner and type whatever you want to, for example simple. Now pick icons that you like the best, I will go with these ones, and click download, or in some cases free. Style of your icons will change after you log in. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!